Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to quickly cover linear mapping versus explicit mapping when syncing grades to Schoology and Google Classroom. You probably already know how to sync the grades to Schoology or Google Classroom, so that is by clicking the three dots, going to Gradebook, and then selecting either Schoology or Google Classroom. For this example, I want to sync the grades to Google Classroom, so I click Google Classroom and then um, choose the Google account that I want to use or log into my Google account, and you will be taken to this page where you can scale the points and select the period name or section name. So of course, first you have to select the period name or the section, and then you have to answer this question. So how many points should this lesson scale to? For this example, my lesson has a total of 12 points. So I want to use the 4-point scale, so I'm going to input 4. And by default, the linearly option is clicked. So that means the system will automatically scale the points across the whole lesson into the 4-point scale. But what if I want to manually scale the points? I want to manually assign the grades to my students. So first, you will need to input the point scale first in this field. So if you want to use the 4-point scale, so input 4, then click explicit mapping. And in here, you will see all the points that your students got. So I have students who got 11 points, those who got 8 points, 4 points, and I also have a lot of students who got 0 points. And since I'm using the 4-point scale, I input 4, you will see the option to map the points into a 4-point scale. So if I want to give those who got 11 points 3, so you can manually click 3. And if I want to give those who got 8 points 2, so I can click 2. I want to give 1 point to those who got 4 points and 0 to those who got 0. And if it's your first time to submit the grades, so you will need to click the submit as new assignment button. But if you're just updating the grades, so you can check it. And then you can click upload scores. And that's it. So again, remember, linear mapping is for automatic scaling of points, and explicit mapping is for manual scaling of points. And that's it. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.